Dang haki Khadc ngi nakaliang jong Khasinews Autonomous District Council kalalik Khynra trading license ki bar Jylla ki basang Beain hakilinti singkin bat hayaw hahat bahap hapo ka jingpet jingkmi jong ka KHADC kalami ka jingkentho ba ka KHADC ka shu Khynra trading license tang menta Henry nakaliang jong executive member ka KHADC badai pet yakatana trade ka council uba rangkan sai kharbuki ha ka khatsan tarik ujamang arjar arpulai ulai thu bakani ka jingkentho kadai tang banyalam bakla ya upat ba babun balang shu uba rangkan sai ulong banakaliang jong ka enforcement wing jong ka KHADC kala pelong ya ka jingkhenra trading license na kapor khnang ban Khanglad ya ki bar Jylla ban Khaii Beain
Namar haga bide betukut ordar jong snem hajar khatsau khandai tarik ubanai basan hajar khatsau ngan pule tang ye ine I bentai badai sepangkatakam kaong bade petitioner is at liberty to rent out the said 9 shops after complying with the requirements under the Khasi Hill District Trading by Non-Tribal Regulation 1954 to the non-tribal businessman. Kamut nakaliang ka High Court ru kala kadausyai balada utrai jong kadukan udai Khasi bat ubaren uba syongwa ya katu kadukan pat udai non-tribal kamut udai hi ya kaban yo ya ka trading license baro hikin non-tribal traders ki bawan banle ya ka business hangne hapo o uput usam jongi lada kimdon ya ka trading license ngasngeu ban pensyai bakalong illegal da ka baburom le seu pli ya kadukan sya jing sya ka digababa hadil ada umdon pat ya ketu license gamut kalong illegal ketu kedukan ke jong gamut way pa way gamut umla ban yait lai claim da apply ya ka trading license an sepuli kini kendiat mo dia kini vision order ka bangila penmi nakaliang ka executive committee jong ka Khasi Hill Autonomous Council ka onggumne the executive committee Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council has taken note on the prevailing situation that there are so many non-tribal hawkers who operate their business without a valid trading license issued under the provision of the United Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council Trading by Non-Tribal Regulation 1954 and the United Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council Trading by Non-Tribals Rules 1959. Hence, the Executive Committee prohibits the non-tribal hawkers to operate any business activities in the jurisdiction of the Khasi Hill Autonomous Council without a valid trading license issued under the provision of the United Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council Trading by Non-Tribals Rules 1959. All chief and headmen of different ilaka and villages are instructed to ensure that no non-tribal hawkers operates any business activities in their jurisdiction without a valid trading license issued by the Executive Committee.